What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss none of my videos, and click that notification bell right next to it. Might as well. Hey, it's free, it doesn't cost, it does you no harm. Go ahead and do it. Thank you. Anywho, so in today's video, I'm going to be trying out Curl's new jellies. They actually sent me these because like I kind of like won some like Instagram thing. Like I really forgot how it went, but they had like a thing where they posted and it was like they want to send out products to like VIP members or whatever. So all we had to do was like comment down below, or it was something like that. But long story short, I won. So I'm like in a little VIP program. So like thank you. So they sent me their newest gels that they have. Here they are right here. These are all 4 of them. So I'm gonna be trying really one of them out. I'm not planning on using all of them. I'm just gonna try one of them. So yeah, but I'm definitely gonna like, you know, try each and every one of them one of these days. But I'm gonna be trying one of them. So pretty much all of them is it's called the Ultimate Styling Collection. The first one is the Be Smooth Curl Butter Gel. This one right here, and this one has a soft hold. So that's what this one is for. It says used for protective styles. That one said Be Smooth. So this one says Be Defined Curl Defining Gel, and this one is a medium hold for braid and twist outs. That's this one. And here we go. This one says a Be Invaluable Creamy Curl Gel, and this is for roller rod sets. So that's what this one is for. And y'all, I'm literally just now like realizing 4 different stuff because I didn't even read them. Anywho, but this one is the Be in Control Curl Sculpting Gel. This one is a firm hold for wash and goes, and I was already gonna use this one anyway, not even realizing it tells you what it's for. I was gonna do wash and go, and I was gonna use this one because I was like, firm hold? Yeah, I need that. I need all the hold. Thank you. Give it to me. But yeah, that's what this green one looks like. Ooh, and we're matching, and then my nails, they're green. We're just green today, minus this, but hey, it's close enough. But hey, we're just green. By the way, green is my favorite color, so yeah. Didn't even plan that. And look, spray ball, green. Like we're green, we're money today. Like we're oh, what? Hold on, another green. Oh, edge control. What's going on? Is that mean like I'm getting that green this year? I'm getting money this year? I think so. I'm gonna take it. Hey, that's how I'm taking it, and that's what it's gonna be, getting to that money. We're green. Green all your comments, some green hearts down below. Y'all getting that money 2020. Turn up. Anywho, this is the gel that I'm gonna be using today. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Alright y'all, so like always, we're starting off with freshly washed hair. I do have a little leave-in, and it's just some random leave-in that I had in the shower that I make sure I put in my hair, because I don't start off with just straight nothing in my hair, because my hair dries really quick, and I just don't. I don't need to explain it. I just don't. I like to put a leave-in in my hair regardless of what style I'm doing. It's gonna be something in my hair. There ain't gonna be nothing in it, but this what we working with, y'all. I just actually curled my, well, not curled. I just came from my hair being straight, so my hair is a little chopped, and you know, curls are definitely popping. They're not popping right now, but they will be, because I've seen them before. Like if y'all haven't seen, go watch my straight to curly video where y'all saw like my curls revert back to curly, and they were popping. I'm like, you ain't never popped like this. What's going on? But they were popping, so I know this wash and go about to be popping, because I got some fresh ends and they're ready to be curled. Like the curls are ready to come out, and that's what I'm here for. So we're finna just get on into it. Alright, so I'm gonna start in the back like always. Here we go. Yeah, my hair is a little shorter, but hey, it's okay. I'm not really concerned about length like I used to be. Like, I really don't care anymore, because I know like ultimately my hair is gonna grow, and then 2, I like big hair, and like the longer your hair is, the more it kind of comes down. So it's like, you know, I ain't even mad that my hair got cut when I straightened it, because I know it's still gonna be cute, and it's gonna be even better because these ends gonna be popping, like the curls gonna be fire. Y'all, I'm just in a good mood. Like, I'm just in a really good mood. But anywho, so this is how my hair is looking with just some leave-in, and it's not really super wet. It's a little damp, but you know, we're gonna wet that back up so we can get that wash and go popping. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Y'all, I literally have not did a wash and go, not even like in the 2 weeks that I've had my hair straightened. It's been before that. I haven't did a wash and go in probably like a month and a half, because before I straightened my hair, I wasn't doing nothing to it. Like, I was just doing whatever, putting it in 2 braids, putting it in a bun. I think I tried to wash and go, but it didn't work out, so I was like, this don't really count. It's going in a ponytail, like, But anywho, so I'm gonna be going in with this Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Styling Lotion. It looks like this. Hopefully y'all can see. Here we go. This is what it looks like. Y'all see a little close up on my nails too now. Anywho, but this is what this looks like. I really have not really used this. I think I used it just like for some moisture, but I don't think I ever like used it like for a wash and go. But hey, I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna use, and I really don't have any other curls products, and I ain't bought products in a minute. So I'm like, hey, let me just use what I got. And I got this, and I love the way this smells, so I was like, you know, let me just go ahead and use it. Alright. Okay, now we're gonna split this and then go in with the gel. Just a little bit more. I gotta make sure my hair is moisturized. It's been straight. It ain't been in no wet style for a while. So we gotta make sure we nice and moisturized for this wash and go. Making sure I spray more water, because you know, when you put gel in your hair, you don't want to put on no damp hair. You want it to be wet, because we ain't got time for no flakes. We ain't got time for no frizz. We ain't got time for none of that. Ooh, y'all see, it clumped my curls together, even with the water added. Okay, yes. All right, y'all know I ain't really no gel person, but I really want to try these out. And like the other gel that I use, their Curl Blueberry Bliss, that gel, it really like didn't, what am I trying to say? It really didn't dry my hair out like other gels do. So hopefully these are the same, but I'm taking about this much to start off with. Ooh, smells like some kiwi or something. I don't know. It smells good. It smells good and fruity. Dang, I was supposed to brush my hair. Y'all, my mind is all over the place. I was gonna brush my hair out. Should I still brush it out? I mean, use a dimming brush. Let's see. Let me take a look here. Let's see if I might not want to do it. Because sometimes when I brush my hair with a dimming brush, it tends to unclump my curls. And I don't like that. So, yeah, I might not. Yeah. Okay. This is what it's looking like so far. I don't know if I should add a little bit more. I'm gonna do it anyway. It smells good though. It smells like some type of candy. Like y'all have had the Curls Blueberry Bliss line. Like y'all know that smells like some blueberry candy. Like it smells so good. So this one is like it's a little kiwi, little green apple scent. I don't know what it is, but it smells good. Ooh, it's on my lip. Alright, so this is what the curls are looking like. Cute, okay. We're cute or whatever. Hopefully it gives us a good firm hold like it claims. But yeah, that's what they're looking like so far. Let's move on. All right, here is the back section. looking all juicy and whatnot. I don't know how we gonna turn out. We ain't super duper clumped together, but you know, it's been a while, so I really don't remember how my hair used to be honest. Okay, y'all, so me using this gel, like, I see it's not really mixing well with the other product. And I know this might not be a good idea, but I'm about to add another product because I don't want this to come out poofy, flaky, and all of that, because I feel like it's not mixing, so it's like showing white flaky flakes already, and that's not a good sign. So, like, let's see. I don't know if y'all can see, but they're definitely in there, and it's not really clumping how I want it to, if that makes sense. Like, they look good up close, I ain't even gonna lie, but I don't know, it's just, I feel like it's not gonna turn out right. You know, like when you just know it ain't gonna turn out right, like, that's just how I'm feeling right now. I feel like it's just not gonna turn out right. So, I think, I don't know. Don't y'all hate this? Like, when you're like in the middle of doing your hair and then it's just not right. Okay, see, like, it's like poofy. It ain't really, you know, and if it's like that now, it's definitely not gonna dry better. So let me see if I can figure something out. Yeah, that's not gonna dry right, and it's just gonna shrink up, and I hate that. So let's spray some water, which I need to get some more in here. We're gonna spray some water, and I'm gonna take some of this Talia Wajid Curl Define Cream and put that on top. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. Cause might turn out better, might turn out worse. We gonna see. Look at that. But I feel like I just need something a little bit heavier to define these curls properly, because that right there, it just wasn't, I'm not gonna say it wasn't doing nothing, but I don't know, maybe what I put before is not really a good mixture. Maybe that product just doesn't go with that one, but yeah, see, these clump better a little more. So I think I'm just gonna go through and just put this on top and pray that I don't get a bunch of flakes in the end. Just see, it needs to stay like this. It don't need to get frizzy how it just was. So I'm just gonna go back and, because I don't want to do all this work and then have to put this in a ponytail. Like, I'm over that. Over it. It's not the move. I need what I do to work. Yeah, see, that's frizzy. That ain't gonna turn out right. That ain't right. Okay, so here is how we're looking right now. Let's hope me adding that extra product didn't ruin my hair. But I don't think it did. It definitely weighed it down and made it not frizzy already. Because if it's frizzy wet, it's going to be even frizzier dry. So I think it looks pretty good. Adding that product, hopefully it turns out really cute. I'm excited to see. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and sit up under the dryer. Then I'll be back to show y'all the results. Alright y'all, so here is my hair fresh out the dryer. It definitely dried pretty good. My curls are definitely popping. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with some herbal oil from Africa's Best. Now I'm just gonna put that all over my hair just for some added moisture and shine like always. Now I'm going to go in with my growth oil that I just put on my scalp. This is a GS by Sedora growth oil. The link is in the description box. If y'all interested, I'll have all the products down there as well. So I'm just go ahead and rub that into my scalp. But pretty much, you guys, I really did like the gel. I think I'm going to try it out again with a different mixture just to see how it'll work on its own. But I do like how my hair turned out. It's definitely defined. I'm glad I added the extra product, because if I didn't, then this would have been a frizzy mess and I would have been a little upset. But yeah, I really like the gel. Can't wait to try out the other gels. So yeah, stay tuned for those videos. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you made it to the end of this video. And go ahead and leave some comments down below. Let me know if you've tried this gel out before. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.